Wednesday, December 21st, 2022, at approximately 7:46 a.m., Gardena Police Department officers responded to the 1800 block of West 145th Street, Gardena, regarding a call of an assault with a firearm. Gardena Police Department officers learned that an individual, later identified as 62-year-old Willie Pendleton, shot at the victim with a handgun and subsequently barricaded himself inside a residence.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm over here on, a man just shot at me inside my garage.
Okay, hold on. Is it 8 in Gardena? Cause you said...
Yeah, Gardena.
Alrighty, are you hurt?
I don't know, the bullet hit me, but he just shot in here. He's in the,
Are you hurt?
no.
Okay.
He's in
Okay, what did you use?
He's in a burgundy, Nissan Sentra. He got a, entrance part, block. But he just shot at me twice.
Okay, but you're not injured, right?
No, I'm inside my car, so he's sitting by the entrance of the driveway right now.
Do you know what kind of gun it was or no?
It's like one of those little small ones, one of the, revolvers.
You think was it black or gray or what?
It's great. He's sitting right now, sick. I can't get out my car,
What kind of car are you in? The suspect is still there? You still see him? Because I'm sending him out.
Yeah, I'm looking at my room in there right now.
Okay, alrighty. So we're sending him Street in Gardena, okay? Your phone number. Do you know this guy?
Got it because you guys still in. I confirmed yesterday, and when I came in the driveway, he started shooting.
Okay, alrighty. So he used a black revolver or a gray revolver, right? Do you know how many times did he shoot at you?
Twice.
Okay.
Yeah, he's down there now. He's still walking back and forth.
What's his name? Do you know?
No, I don't know what his name is.
I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. Hold on. 544.
Inside of his apartment in Gardena. This is the KTLA 5 News at 1. I'm Glenn Walker.
And I'm Lena Bovian in for Lou Parker. Let's go right to Rich Prickett overhead in Sky 5 with the latest. Rich.
The suspect believed to be shot several rounds into his neighbor's vehicle. So that guy was able to get away. He blocked while this operation continues. That's the latest from up here in Sky 5. I'll send it back to you.
Off with police in Gardena. A sheriff's department K-9 dog, unfortunately, also died. A man barricading himself in his apartment Wednesday morning near Rosecrans and Western. Police say a fight with neighbors is what set the gunman off, who shot several rounds at a man who was in his car. Police had to evacuate nearby apartments yesterday. Shortly before 6 p.m., the Sheriff's Special Enforcement Bureau moved in and confronted the suspect. He allegedly pulled a gun, shooting and killing a K-9 dog. Deputies returned fire, killing the suspect. No deputies were hurt. But the deputies are paying tribute to their fallen partner. The department tweeting out this end-of-watch photo of Jack, the Belgian Malinois. He had served with the department since March 2019. Sheriff Robert Luna said Jack had the heart of a warrior and will be greatly missed.
Deputy K-9 Jack was killed in the line of duty yesterday after responding to a barricade situation in Gardena. Gardena police responded to calls of an assault with a deadly weapon on West 145th Street. Deputies made entry into the home and they encountered the suspect who fired shots at deputies. That's when Jack was killed. Deputies returned fire and the suspect was killed. Sheriff Robert Luna said Jack was a very social dog with the heart of a warrior. He was a devoted member of the Special Enforcement Bureau and for the past 4 years saved a number of lives, courageously protecting members of the Bureau during countless tactical operations.